Good morning, student. In previous lecture, we completed this chapter, and the topic we study about landform made by winds, land form made by glacier, land forms made by sea waves, effect of exogenic forces, effect of endogenic forces. This topic we cover in this chapter. Okay, after completing this chapter, you have to write down question in your copy. Find out these following questions from your book with the help of your book. First, what do you mean by exogenic and endogenic forces? We studied about in the first topic endogenic and exogenic forces. Force which from the interior part of the earth and create either change the surface of the earth. It's called endogenic forces, and the exogenic forces. Force on the earth's surface earth caused by the agent of nature like wind, glacier and water. This is called exogenic forces, and you have to write down from the help of your book and your copy and give two examples that can be counted as an effect of these two forces with the example. It means. Now second question, how is delta formed at the mouth of the river? This answer you will get from the landforms made by the water. In this topic, you will get this answer. Now, how does wind action change the surface of the earth? Landform made by the wind. And this answer, this question's answer you will get in this topic. Now, difference between erosion and weathering. Okay, this 4 question you have to write down in your copy with the help of your book, and once again read these important terms and summarize points also. Okay, and one more question. This one. What is volcano? Explain in detail. Different type of volcano. With the diagram, you have to explain in your copy. What is volcanoes and explain in detail. Okay. Okay, this 4-5 question you have to write down in your copy. Now, okay, next lesson. We are going to start the atmosphere, a blanket of air. What is the name of lesson? The atmosphere, a blanket of air. Okay, this is the last chapter of geography. After completing this chapter, we will start from history as a suffix. Okay. The Earth is unique planet. Why? Earth is unique planet. Okay. We will find answer of this question in this lesson. As it only planet known to us that support life of solar system. As it only this Earth is a unique planet because it supports the life in the solar system. There are many reasons why life exists on the Earth's surface. One of the reasons is presence of the air. There are so many reasons, but first reason is the presence of air. It is first reason on the Earth's surface. Hold your breath for some time. How do you feel? You feel suffocated. Living beings breathe in air to survive. The earth surrounded by the thick blanket of the air called atmosphere. And this is a thick layer of the air around the earth is it called atmosphere. The earth atmosphere acts like a filter. Okay, the earth atmosphere work like a filter. It allows sunlight to reach us but prevent the highly dangerous ultraviolet rays to sun from the reaching us. Okay, it feel like a filter. So it allow only sunlight to reach us, but other highly dangerous gases like ultraviolet gas, harmful radiations, they reflect in the atmosphere. The atmosphere consists of gases. The atmosphere consists of gases. Due to particle water vapor, the right composition of gas in air also make it possible there. The atmosphere provides the necessary condition for form of life thrive on the earth. Composition of the atmosphere, different type of gases found in the atmosphere. So the composition of the this 78% nitrogen found in the atmosphere, then 21% oxygen found in that, and rest of this 1% carbon dioxide, organ, water vapor, and other gases. These are mainly gases found in the atmosphere. Now, apart from these gases, other gases like argon, neon, helium, hydrogen, krypton, xenon, and methane also found in this atmosphere. Beside these gases, there are water vapor, dust particles, salt particles also present in this layer. In this atmosphere, as we move toward place, the atmosphere becomes thinner and gradually merge with the space. As we move in the space toward the space upward, it means when we go up in the atmosphere become a thinner. It will become a thinner, then gradually merge with the space. All gases present in the atmosphere to us, important to us. Okay, all the gases important for us. And now let us study the consist of air. First of all, we study about the nitrogen. First of all, we study about nitrogen. Okay, nitrogen consists 78% in the atmosphere. This is most abundant gas found in the atmosphere. Okay, the percentage of the nitrogen is 78%. No, nitrogen neither burn nor help in burning. Okay, nitrogen neither burn, ना तो जलेगा और नहीं help करेगा. Nitrogen is inactive gas, therefore it is used to pack food like a chips, and it is an inactive gas. So it is used for packing chips. Nowadays used in vehicles in their tubes. This allow packed food for remain fresh. Nitrogen is required by plant for the growth. Bacteria converted nitrogen into atmosphere. This form of usable plant. Recall the nitrogen cycle. Read in your class science. Okay, in your class in science subject you will be studying. The second, oxygen. Oxygen 21%. This is most of living beings require oxygen. Okay, almost living beings need oxygen to survive in the on the earth's surface. Okay, it is a life support gas. Also we can say that oxygen is a life supporting gas, and an adequate supply of oxygen is necessary to burn. An adequate supply of oxygen need to burn. Oxygen is a heavy gas and most of it's found in the lower layer of the atmosphere. Mountaineers and divers carry oxygen cylinder to help them breathe where the oxygen content is low. Okay, who's mountaineers, those who climb on the mountain, they carry with them as an oxygen cylinder, because of when we go off in the atmosphere, the quantity of oxygen it will be decreased. So the cylinder will be helped because oxygen fill up in this cylinder. And those who dive in the ocean, they also carry oxygen, because in the interior of the seabeds there is a lack of oxygen, so it will be help to them survive in this out conditions. Now carbon dioxide. carbon dioxide. Okay, we will continue carbon dioxide in next lecture. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.